In this video, I will show you how to view your Pinterest audience insights. First, launch open the Pinterest app, make sure to log into your account, and also make sure that you have turned your account into a business account. Audience insights are only available for Pinterest business accounts, so you won't see this feature on a personal account. Now tap on the profile icon at the bottom right corner of your screen. Once you get here, you want to look for the Analytics tab near the top of your screen. Tap on that. It will take you to the Analytics section. Tap on the Audience one. Once you're in the Audience tab, you'll be able to view your audience insights, including information such as the audience demographics, interest, engagement, and other analytics related to content. You can also use this insight to better understand your audience and create content that's more relevant to them. If you don't see the Audience tab, make sure that you have signed into business account, since this feature is only available in a business account. That's all for this video. If you found it useful, make sure to hit the like button and subscribe for more videos like this.